So we're gonna be starting a job up in Denver, Colorado, about an hour and 10 minutes from our home base here at Hiner Outdoor Living. I'm gonna go head inside, grab the plans, and kind of give you a quick little tour of what we got going on at this upcoming job. So we are about to start one of our bigger projects of the year. This includes a really nice size 40 by 30 pond. It has all the bells and whistles with an intake, a wetland, a couple streams, so a lot of moving water. It has also underwater jets and an aeration system. And the overall design of this water feature is to mimic more of a river system than it is a pond. So this section right here, this is our intake bay. We're gonna have jets coming here, 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 and possibly even here. Now all of these help with circulation, so underwater jets. This section here is gonna be our Upflow wetland filter. We'll have a biofalls here and here, with these being our streams. We have over 400 feet of pipe, 5 pumps, 120 tons of boulders, not to mention 20 plus cans of foam, over 25 aqua blocks needed for the wetland and the intake. Just when you get into a project like this, all of the products and all of the knowledge of knowing how to put it together makes it so important. And that's what helps with starting with the design, is it enables you to see what it will take to accomplish such a job. So we'll go ahead, head to the site now, and check out what Omar's got going on.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
Good morning, guys. This is Omar with Hiner Outdoor Living. We are starting a really cool project this morning. Super cool backyard. It's a really nice backyard already. It's a really nice backyard, but we're gonna make it even better. So we have planned for this particular backyard a really big water feature. So we have jets, we have bug filter, intake bay, 2 massive waterfalls, actually 3. We're gonna have 3. So let me show you real quick what's gonna happen here in the next few weeks. So we're gonna have our first waterfall is gonna start somewhere over there. All this is gonna be our pond. This is gonna be the focus because this is the kitchen right here. So we're trying to capture all this view from the kitchen. We also have another waterfalls coming from that direction all the way here. We have our intake bay. It's going to be located in this area right here. So this is gonna be the intake bay. We're going to redo the existing water feature we have here. So it's gonna be like a waterfall intake bay. It's gonna be here. So we're gonna tear all this out. We're gonna start from scratch, everything new. Intake bay is gonna sit right here. This is a cool project. So it's a really beautiful backyard already, but we want to make it super special with this beautiful water feature we're installing here. So stay tuned and just follow us along this journey. many wires and electrical and irrigation. It's a big mess right now. There's so much mud. It rained a lot, so all this is basically the pond. So what we gotta do is we're gonna have to take the main line from this side, run it all around in that berm, and then reconnect it back up and the other side. Last week was rough. We have the field setback, which was a lot of rerouting, bunch of wires and main line and all the kind of stuff that it used to run right in the middle of our pond. So it took us a little bit to take care of that situation, but now we're ready to dig. So this is the end. This is the beginning here of the waterfall. So we got these lower boulders in here. This is where we're gonna have our bug filter. And from this one over here, this is where we're gonna have the other waterfalls. So over here we're gonna have our patio area. It's gonna look so cool here. We're gonna build a retaining wall inside our liner here. The homeowners decided we're gonna extend the pond a little bigger. So that's gonna make the shape of this thing look even better.
One thing that's really important when starting a project like this is having a point of reference for your water depth. Typically what we do is find a patio or a seating area or something that we can reference to find a good water level, and then from there we zero out the transit and make sure that that same level is the same across the entire pond.
When it beeps, that's my level. So I took my level off that section over there, which is that's kind of where I want to be. So I'm a little low here.
This is the start of the second week. The beginning of this project was definitely a challenge. A lot of unforeseen obstacles underground, like electrical, irrigation. So that definitely took a little bit longer than expected, but it is just all part of working on a huge project like this. You just never know what's underground when you start digging until you actually start digging. Next week, we're hoping to get a lot done. So make sure you come back, check out the progress, and see how we get this huge pond built.